In today's video, I'll teach you how to invite people on Facebook page. So first of all, launch open Facebook. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook page. So what you have to do is tap on your profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be to this kind of interface. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the page settings over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this section for share. Tap on this option, invite people to connect, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to invite the people to connect. You'll be able to invite the friends. Likewise, you'll also be able to invite the people who reacted. You can copy the link and send the personalized link. For that, tap on the copy option right next to the option for copy link. Now after you do that, open any messaging platforms. Here I'm just going to open the messenger. Now after you do that, simply tap on the chat of the person that you would like to invite. Now what you have to do is tap on the message bar. Now simply paste the link that we copied earlier. You can simply do it via the clipboard. Now tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the invite link has been sent. Likewise, you can also invite the people directly from your main profile. So for that, what you have to do is go to the Facebook again. Now right next to the option for invite friends, what you have to do is tap on this option switch. Now you'll be switched to your main profile. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to invite the friends. Tap on the search bar. Now type in the name of the friend that you would like to invite. After you do that, simply tap on that particular friend and tap on the done option that you can see on the screen. Now this friend will also be invited. So like this, you'll be able to invite the people. So that is how you invite people on Facebook page. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.